Finally, we are in our final project. Now just assume you are having a page like this. In this particular page, you are having some icon, some links, a particular card type of symbol. You are having some welcome to a particular information, some text information, and a particular button. After that, you are having, we are a company of passionate designers and developers. There is a particular message in the information in your web page. After that, you are having some icons, some information once again, and you are having a box in here. Finally, you are having a footer also. Footer. Let me increase this one once again. In here, the footer is having designed and elegant themes powered by WordPress. Some type of information is going to be visible to us. Like this type of page we are going to build, but without CSS, because this complete course is completely using HTML. What can you do? Creating a web page simply by using HTML. That is the point we are seeing and we are going to learn first of all. After completing this particular HTML, we will discuss and we will see about CSS concepts also, guys. Good. Let me start the project. I am simply taking a new file. I'm going to save this one as project.html and save that one with .html extension also successfully. The first thing what we need is our HTML template. Inside the HTML, we are having a head section. For the head, I am going to write a particular title. What type of title I am going to give for this one is going to be sample homepage live demo. This is the message what we are seeing in here. So I am going to make this thing as my website. The title for this thing is my web page, or web page is better compared to website. My web page. I am going towards my body. In my body, the first part what I am going to start is this one, this particular navigation. We can create a particular navigation by using one element called as nav. Inside that particular nav, you can write your code. But I am not going to use any other points or any other tools. Directly, I am going to use my section tag. Inside my section, I am having multiple elements. That's why I am going to write like this. Inside my section, I am having some information and some links in here. So the first thing is also one link. I am going to give the link for this thing is hash. Let me take this thing like this. Yeah, it is simple for me also to understand. Simple homepage live demo. Okay. After this thing, we are having once again few more links. This one is also hash. It's going to have the message called as home. Href attribute value is going to be hash. So whenever anyone click on these links, they are going to see this particular page only. That's why. About us. What is the message? About me. That is the message which is given in there. The href equal to about us. Blog. Let me write these things. One is for blog, one is for contact us, one more is for portfolio. Okay, let's leave it like this. Hash. Good. About me is also done. About us is also done. Now we are having blog, contact, all that information. Blog. Portfolio. Project. After project, we are not having a link in here. We are having some drop down type of functionality. So simply I'm going to use one select element. Inside the select, I'm going to take my option value The default value here, it is showing me as basic layouts. So I'm going to leave that one as it is, like that, basic layouts. Good. After this select, we are having sales, shop, maintenance mode, sales, shop, hash, it is going to be maintenance, CE, maintenance mode. Finally, we are having coming message is also there. Coming soon. After this coming soon, if you check it here, we are going to see a particular cart type of symbol, a cart type of symbol which we are going to call as icon. If you really want to use a particular icon, we can get different types of icons from Font Awesome. There is a website called as Font Awesome Icons. From this thing, you can get the icons also. Different types of icons will be present. If you want a cart type, simply go there and search for cart. There it is. Now I want this shopping cart type of thing. I need to select this thing, and where is the code? Here it is. This is the code. Copy HTML code. Code is copied successfully. So in this particular anchor tag, I need that particular cart. Control V, Control S. Let me execute this file. But unfortunately, to be frank, I am not going to see that cart symbol. Why? Because you have to do one more thing, as project.html. Here it is. Now in here, you successfully created that particular page, and you are giving some links and you are giving a drop down, the same thing what you seen in here, but it is not going to show us that particular cart icon. Why? What is the drawback? What I'm doing wrong? You successfully copied that link and you are giving the link also in here. It is very nice and good. Why it is not allowing me to see that particular cart icon? Because you have to add one more thing. That is what we call as CDN. Font Awesome Icons CDN. Yes, this is what I want. You have to click on this one, and if you go down in this particular website, we can see some information which is related to CSS. This one, load all styles. What are the style and what are the icon you want? You can simply use that particular icon, but for that you have to use this link. This is the meaning of that one. I'm going to copy this thing. Control C. I copied successfully. Where I need to paste that one? You have to go to your code and in your head position. After the title, I'm going to paste this code. Control S. Refresh. Now I'm able to see that particular cart icon also successfully. All these are links. Each and everything is link. If I click any link, it is going to show me the same page itself. It is not going to do anything at all. The same page is going to load it. For my cart also, I'm having the link. Good. In this video, we simply created this particular navigation concept. And for our understanding, we can use some comments also. Navigation part in the template. Navigation part in the template. Good. I'm saving this thing. So because of seeing this particular comment, you can clearly understand what is happening in your code. After this thing, we are having one more section. Like each and everything we are going to provide inside a section, guys. One by one, everything is going to be done. For this one, I'm going to write something like second section. Second section, cancel in the template. Will be very helpful for you to understand what you done, what are the other topics you have to cover, all these things. From the next video, we are going to see about this particular page, how to write the information like welcome to my website, a particular button, a particular text information, all these things.